This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Dawn Crocker. A must-see open floor plan with custom features throughout. Features include LG family room with gas fireplace and cathedral ceiling. Eat-in kitchen includes granite, stainless steel appliances, tiled backsplash, soft close cabinets, and custom lighting. First floor master bedroom with walk-in closet that has closet factory custom shelving, ensuite with dual vanity, walk-in shower, and jetted tub. Laundry room with custom cabinetry and built-in hampers. LG sunroom that opens to the deck with a retractable awning. 2-car garage with built-in cabinets. Fenced-in backyard, sprinkler system and storage shed. Conveniently located to 664 and Harbour View. For more information, review the details below.